Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, a lot of people think AI is the best tool for scraping, but let me tell you, the truth is AI scrapers are costly, limited, complicated, and slow. In this video, I'm going to show you why Lead Sniper is still the best option for generating high-quality leads, so let's dive in right now.
All right, so we're going to check out a demo here of Yellow Pages Scraper in action, and all you have to do is type the business name, the niche, and the region, city, and country that you want to search in, and just hit start. So we're going to watch this go right now. So as you can see, boom, boom, you just search, sit back, grab a cup of coffee, and this is going to go to work for you. Now make sure you type in the postal code of the region you want to make sure you get accurate search results for the business and the niche that you're searching for. But this is going to get it done for you super fast, super efficient, and absolutely amazing for that one-time fee of $149. Get it for life, 24/7 support and unlimited leads. Now, as it finishes, you can download as an XLSX or a CSV file, but if you have Google Drive open, you could just drag and drop right into your Google Drive from your download folder, and that's going to open up a Google Sheet. And you're going to get amazing contact information, the website domain, the phone number, the physical address, the email address, and everything you need to follow up with these high-quality leads using Yellow Pages Scraper from our friends at Lead Sniper. I've been using it. It's been rocking my business. Get it today, guys. I really enjoy this product. All right, guys, we're talking about Yellow Pages Scraper today, and I'm sure you've heard about this from our friends at Lead Sniper. Check them out. So, yeah, the most powerful Yellow Pages Scraper in the world. Get it for $149, one-time fee at no cost to you afterwards. Get those unlimited leads and 24/7 support, or you can do the free trial. It's a great program. 12,000 happy customers. I'm one of them. Look at all these awesome statistics right here, and it has amazing features. It's fast, it's easy to use, and time-saving with comprehensive data. And you can scroll down and see how it works right here, and use scraping for Yellow Pages. Use cases are here as well, and a bunch of screenshots, and it scrapes from over, look at that, 45 fields. Very cool stuff. But let's talk about some of these other things that I have to talk about here in the video, like the people out there right now are using AI to scrape leads. Now let me tell you why this is still the best option over AI, because AI is costly and you need paid version to access those specific features. It's also limited. Usage is often restricted per query or per credit, making it very limited. Also, it can be very complicated. Scraping may not deliver the best results on the first try, and you often need to run multiple queries to get the leads you want. It also can be very slow, as the process can take a long time depending on the complexity of the task. All right, so let's talk about some pricing packages. You can get the starter pack for $149 for one installation. Again, get it for life, one-time fee only. The popular installation is $267 for 5 installations. Again, get it for life, one-time payment. Or our best value, $389 for 10 installations, and you get it for life, one-time payment. And remember, 24/7 support and unlimited leads. So guys, get Lead Sniper today and rock your business.
All right, guys, so as you can see, Lead Sniper is still the best option for getting leads, and you can get it for $149 for one-time payment, get it for life, and get those unlimited leads, 24/7 support, or you can do a free trial. Click the link down below to get started with Lead Sniper today, and we'll see you in the next video.